In this video, you'll learn how to create a variable in Tableau. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience with Tableau, this guide will help you get started with creating variables, also known as parameters, which can be incredibly useful for dynamic data analysis. First, let's head over to tableau.com. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your Tableau account. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a section labeled Recents. Here, you'll find a list of your recent projects and workbooks. Select the one you'd like to work with by clicking on it. This will open your project in Tableau. Now that you have your project open, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see the Tables section. This is where all your data tables are listed, allowing you to manage and manipulate the data sets you're working with. Find the table you're interested in and click on it to highlight it. This step is crucial because the variable you create will be associated with the data in this table. With your table selected, the next step is to create the variable itself. To do this, look towards the bottom of the left-hand menu and click on the Parameters option. Parameters are essentially dynamic variables that can be used to change values in your visualizations, giving you greater control and flexibility in how you analyze your data. Once you click on Parameters, a dialog box will appear, prompting you to enter a name for your new parameter. This name should be something meaningful that clearly describes its purpose, making it easier for you and others to understand what it represents. After entering the name, you'll need to define the properties of your parameter. These properties will determine what kind of data your variable can hold and how it can be adjusted. You can set the data type, allowable values, and default values here. Think about what you need this variable to do and configure it accordingly. After you've entered the name and set the properties, take a moment to double check your settings. Ensuring everything is correct now will save you time later on. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and click OK to create the parameter. You should now see your new variable listed under the parameters section. And there you have it. You've successfully created a variable in Tableau. This new parameter can now be used to enhance your data visualizations, enabling you to interact with your data in new and dynamic ways. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment and explore the various options available to you within Tableau. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in your journey to mastering data visualization with Tableau.